I'm Randy Hopper. I'm an attorney from Minneapolis, and I represent the Porton Group, private equity fund based in Dubai and in London, who were investors in Backlight, which is the subject matter of why we've called this press conference this morning. Backlight became state-of-the-art technology at the time it was introduced in the market, and that it obtained its approvals from the EU for distribution and sales in the UK and across Europe. Backlight was the first rapid, accurate, and economic diagnostic medical device into the marketplace for the detection of MRSA. 3M came along in 2006 and essentially, you might say, put a full court press on Acolyte to sell the business to them. After a long series of negotiations, Acolyte agreed to sell the company to 3M because it felt that 3M had the best global reach through its medical companies in order to introduce Backlight to the US, Canadian, and Australia markets. Questions that need to be answered are questions of what happened during the clinical trial. Why did 3M not use the same comparative solution that was used so successfully in the EU and that was approved in the EU? And very importantly, that once the product was at market, was obtaining 95% reliability results. That's unbelievable success for a medical device. What was 3M's financial interests and what was their involvement with Fastman Simplexa? Lanny's going to come up now, and Lanny's going to provide much of the factual background to the situation that we're dealing with on Backlight and why we're going forward to file this petition with the FDA. Lanny Davis.
I haven't read the technical committee report because it's not been made public, but I have read what 3M attorneys have said on the issue. Here's what 3M said, and I'm quoting: "The testing carried out for and reported in the Backlight technical report," that's in capitals, that is the secret report not made public by 3M, "found evidence that running the assay," which is the solution where you're growing these superbugs, "at 35 degrees centigrade, which is below the 37 degrees recommended, affected performance." In 2007, on its website, 3M published touting the reliability and effectiveness of the product that they now say didn't work. 3M decided not to do it again. They're touting 95% in Europe. They're touting the product working in Europe. Their own people, 11 of them, publish a report describing all of the errors made in their testing that led to 50%. They keep that report secret, and then they decide not to try again, a life-saving product. And so my question, Mr. Buckley, is, will you release the technical committee report by your own people that described a test that could have saved lives had you marketed this product in the United States that was being supervised by the Food and Drug Administration? So 3M can blame everybody and can change the subject, but it can't avoid the facts that its partners, the British government, are angry with them. That the test results were 50% when they did the tests, 95% when the European Union approved these tests, and that their own people, 11 people, filed a report that clearly indicated major mistakes were made.